Is your wallet still recovering from 24? Rent's up. Groceries, through the roof. And savings? What savings? Don't panic. What you need is a financial roadmap for 25, and we're building it step by step right now. Welcome to the channel, where we turn complex money stuff into simple moves with stick figure style. Today, I'll show you how to take control of your money in 25 with a practical, no-fluff financial roadmap. Let's go. Step 1. Set your goals. Break them into 3 buckets: short-term, emergency fund, credit card payoff; mid-term, new laptop, a vacation, maybe that car; long-term, retirement, home down payment, college fund. Stick with SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 2. Reflect on 24. What worked? What didn't? How much did you earn and spend? Did you budget or just wing it? Where did most of your money go? This is your money mirror. Don't skip it. Step 3. Build a monthly budget. Track income, fixed expenses, variable costs, and, most importantly, savings. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a paper notebook. Just be consistent. Step 4. Create an emergency fund. Start with $1,000, then aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Because life throws curveballs, and you want to hit back with cash, not credit. Step 5. Attack your debt. Choose your weapon. Snowball method, smallest to largest; avalanche method, highest interest rate first. Whichever you choose, be consistent. Momentum is everything. Step 7. Track and adjust, monthly. Check your spending, update your goals, tweak your budget. It's not a set it and forget it. It's set it, check it, and grow it. And there you go. Your step-by-step financial roadmap for 25. It's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your #1 financial goal for 25? I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay consistent, and stay on the money.